Welcome back to my kitchen, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my turnip green. Now as you can see, I went to this place here where I live and bought me some greens. She had already picked them and everything. This is a big bag of turnip greens here. So it's a lot of them in this bag. There's a lot of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them over to my sink here. I got some water in here. And I'm going to do a little at a time. Because I don't want to overcrowd my sink out. I like to do, just a few at a time. So maybe about this. Put a few more in here. And when I get her greens are really don't have a lot of dirt in them or anything like that. So let me adjust my camera here. Some baking soda, and I put some 139. I'm gonna let that soak for a minute. A little more water in here. And I also have some turkey tails here. So I've got in the pot here, some turkey tails. Got two in here. So I'm gonna let that come to a boil and rinse it off. And then I'm gonna put some more water on there and put it on the stove. And they will be cooking and getting ready. When my greens are good and clean, this is what I'm gonna use. A few more in here. More in here. And then what I'm gonna do also, I'm put a little salt in my water. Put a little salt, a little more baking powder, baking soda. And put about maybe a fourth a cup of salt in here. So when I come back, I'm gonna have all my greens clean, and I'm gonna start my cooking process. Okay, I'm back. I got my greens all clean. And this is my last wash here. Really, I just had them soaking in this water here. I kind of like wash my hands like one by one, 2 times, and then that's the way I wash them. But this is the last time. They were just soaking, so I'm put them over here and let them drain the water out. But I do have some over by the stove that's been draining some of the water out, and I'm gonna put those in the pot. Over here and get these. And this is the person I get my green from. I like getting them from her because she already picked them. You don't have to worry about stems or anything. Now see how clean that water is? Nothing in here. So this is the way I like to see it. Okay. So let me take my camera over to the stove. Okay. Now these are the ones I've already washed and got clean. I'm gonna put them, well, let me put this closer to my pot. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I think you can see that. Okay. Now I got my turkey tail, I told you I boiled, and I rinsed it off and started over again. Okay. So I got some onion powder. Not by measurement. And I got some garlic powder. Got some pink salt here that I'm in the water here. Some black pepper. And I have some bell pepper and onion that I put in my food processor. It's like a half a bell pepper and maybe a half an onion. And I'm going to put this in here, and believe me, once your greens is done, you would not, it would just like dissipate. You would not see them. So it's just an added flavor. Okay. Let me get some avocado oil. I'm gonna say about maybe a fourth of a cup, I would say. Okay. So let me start putting it in my pot here. So I'm gonna kind of let these cook down. I'm gonna stir them around, let them cook down before I add the other one, because if you put too much in there, it'll start to stick to the bottom and maybe burn. I learned that the hard way. You had to take them all out and clean my pot and start over. Now I'm going to go over and get the other greens in the sink. If you would, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And tell all your friends about it. Okay, so now I'm going to add some more. And they was not really expensive. And I got all of these for like $9. And I've been cooking them and bagging them up and putting them in my deep freezer for the winter until the season come again next year. Then I'll be ready to get some more. And I like turnip green. I'm not too crazy about mustard green. I like collards. And these turnip greens, they have that taste that I like, you know. A lot of people don't like them because they say it's bitter, but that's what I like. Okay, so got that stirred up. Now I'm just gonna let this cook, and all I got to do is wait on them to get done. Okay, I'm back with my finished product on my greens. I turned them off and I let them cool down some. This is my finished product of the greens that I cooked. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to put me some in a bowl here. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, please. Okay. And I'm going to move my camera down some. Got me some cornbread. take me some of this meat here, which I really don't eat this meat. I just cook my greens, cook it in my greens. Okay. So this is my turnip greens I cook. And let me get a few here and put it in my little bowl. And I'm gonna taste it. Like I always do. Okay, so I got me a little in this bowl here. Put me a piece of cornbread in here. And chop me some greens up. Now I usually like onions with tomatoes, kind of diced up, and eat it with my greens. Sometimes I like it like that. Okay, now this is my little version of it. I'm gonna give it a try. Now these are fresh greens out of the garden. Okay. Give me a piece of this bread with it. Soaked in the juice. That was delicious. And this is my closer look. Turnip green, fresh out the garden. Okay. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.